Fair and square, this angled pan bakes a beautiful cake that's easy to slice into equal portions. Oven safe to 400 degrees with 10 cup capacity. Made from cast aluminum. The package weight of the product is 2.5 pounds. Our signature bakeware features handsome shapes for all seasons. Heavy cast aluminum ensures uniform baking and browning to enhance our unique and beautiful designs. Top reviews from the United States. Such a pretty cake. I have used this once since I purchased it. I have 2 other Nordic Bundt pans and really wanted this one because the square shape is so different. At first I thought it looked smaller, but when I made the Bundt batter it fit in the pan just as it does the round, so it is the same volume. So pretty and just falls out of the pan easily. The square shape is also easy to cut slices. It is difficult to clean, but that is to be expected with any intricate design. I usually set it in the sink and fill with water and go back to it the next day for easier cleaning. Love it. This would make a great gift for a baker.